If you stop and think about human beings, why is God Word? God created humans under His image and likeness. The human being is the only creature that speaks. There's no other being, vegetable, microorganism. There's nothing in the universe that speaks. Have you ever thought about it? Dogs don't talk. Trees don't talk. The only one that talks is the human being. I don't believe you said that. Do parrots talk? Are you certain? Parrots imitate the sound they hear. They don't know what they are talking. But going on. The human being is the only one that can utter words, reason, think, develop ideas, imagine, and that is why he's the only one that creates. Oh, but birds make a nest. It's an instinct. They only know how to do that. You don't see a bird building a 10-story building or a car. You don't see it. But humans have an unlimited mind because God gave them the power of word. We have the power to think, to reason. And through the word, we are like Him. We create, we develop. So humans are unlimited and they don't stop. Throughout the centuries, humans are multiplying knowledge and science, and they reach places that those before them never reached. Because of what? Knowledge, word, intelligence. And where did the word come from? From God. If you have made it this far, it is because you want to be a better person. I challenge you to choose one thing you learn in today's video and put it into practice. I'll see you here next time.